Hello everyone, this is my review of these emergency rechargeable light bulbs. They're LED light bulbs that's pretty much encased. They come with an attachment that you can put on the back that will allow you to light them up by pushing the button there, and you can hang them up. But you can also turn them on just by putting your fingers on the back and touching the back of it to ground it, and that switches on. You can use it like a regular light bulb as well, and this is how you charge it. You stick it into your light socket and you turn on the light switch. You charge the bulb as well, but you can turn it on or off with a light switch, just like a regular light switch. And with the hook, you can hook it up any place that you need extra light. And I'm here in the closet where you can see I'm just using the light, and I'm using it without the attachment, just by turning it on and off. So this is a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.